Hey, today I'll show you how to check your internet speed, and actually that's pretty simple. So we have to open Google Chrome or whatever browser you are using, then search for internet speed, okay? And you'll also have the link in the description. For this tutorial we'll be using Speedtest. I don't have a sponsorship for them, this is just the site I'm recommending you. You can find plenty of free websites to test your internet speed for free. This is just the website which I'm recommending you. Once you are on this website, you just have to hit this go button, and as I told you, you will find also the link in the description of the video, and you can check your internet speed for free without paying a single dime. So you have to wait a few seconds, and after that it will tell you the downloading speed and the uploading speed. My downloading speed is pretty great at 89 megabytes per second. I won't complain to that, okay? And my uploading speed looks great also at 94 megabytes per second. Let's wait. 94. Okay, it's a great score. So this is how to check your internet speed, your downloading speed, and your uploading speed on your computer. I hope it helped, and I also hope you have a great day.